Yeah, there we go. Back to the shit again. I do love shitting myself. Anyway, it's time to turn off my phone and continue with this one. Music to my ears. Sonic Adventure Man. Bro, no, I'm not listening to that. Anyways, it's time we do a little bit of Windows shit. Now that we have that done. Can close some of the stuff. Uh, huh. Did not detect. Interesting. Why wouldn't it? Hmm. Hmm. Status. Linux. Though I clearly have chosen Mingui. Interesting. Yeah, obviously it's a fail. Wait, what? Honoring no return statement. Oh, obviously. Why is it here? Oh, because cannot find that file. Makes sense. Because this is not part of Windows. But at least I tested it and it worked, so. Did the exit. Cannot find no such file or directory. Why? Oh, because that. Hmm. Wait, do I have access to the setup? I do. Wait, not found. No such file or directory. Oh, it is case sensitive. Oh yeah, because it is Linux. Windows, it doesn't matter. Oh wow. I have to guess replace that with this. Um, uppercase. Case sensitive. Replace. Yep, that should work now. Mm-hmm. But still, this is undefined. I guess I have to edit this. Hmm. Linux. Still defines. Hmm. Cache. Maybe. Uh. Configure. I think I can. Yeah. full clean recover. Doesn't really work. Maybe here? Oh fuck no. No. I mean, I could just Wait, I have an idea. Gonna create a new file. Call it clear. I'm just gonna tell it to remove uh, the build bin and lib folder, and then we just change that to this, and now we can. Oh, I accidentally somehow messed that up. Mhm. Okay. Hmm. Seems really strange. Why does it say Linux? It's not, it's Windows. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh, just a warning. Wait, what? That's a. Wait, that's really confusing. But it shouldn't be like that. Windows. Wait, does this work? Oh, that couldn't do. Boy. This works like I always wanted to. Hmm. Why does it think it's Linux? I really have to look this up. Getting started. Uh, hmm. Okay, let's see. Did I maybe install? Correct? It's gonna give me a warning, right? Yeah. Hmm. Interesting though. Hmm. What does this say? Oh, if I can actually type. I mean, it's a more recent version, but I think still applies. Yeah. Hmm. Build systems. CMake. Kernel combine the composer project for Windows while working on Linux compiling system. Details consult instruction. Hmm. Testing. Should I really use this tool chain? Hmm. Wait, is there like. Oh, Jesus Christ. No. Wait, is there maybe. Uh. No. Using compile check. Hmm. It doesn't make sense. The German way, okay. Targeting. Hmm. If win 32. Is this really not defined? It is not defined, but I'm using it. What the hell? That is the most confusing shit I've ever seen. Hmm. I guess it does want me to use this one. Oh man. Okay. Dual chain. Min give. Guess I'm gonna use this one. It should work. Right. Yeah. Hmm. I guess I can reference it so I know where I actually got this from. Now can I use this? No. Might have to create these cards, settings, options. Ah, fuck off. Fucking Windows button. Uh, additional kits. I don't know how this works. Um, CMake tools, additional kits. Hmm. Chain, tool chain tile. Yep. Then give wait, maybe put this bracket, brackets. No, it's Linux. Think I can still use like these variables. CMake two chains min give a CMake. Wait, why is this? Incorrect type, expected string. Uh, hmm. Interesting. Hijack the kids. Oh, I have to name this C-Make kids. And then have it this. Yep, I think that should work now. Yep. Yeah, look, it worked. No, there's. Wait, let me clean. Let me reconfigure this. And now if I build this. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that's just a warning. Yeah, we have an executable and .exe. I mean, I can run it through Vine. Wait, will it actually do that? Oh my god, it will actually. Cancel. Interesting. I wouldn't actually know. What the fuck? Library which is needed by not found. Hmm. But it's there. What is duty happen about? Oh well. At least that works. So now if I go here, it should no. Good, yes. We have the H instance thing. Exactly what I was looking for. Uh, anyway, it's time to do some Windows shit. Hmm. Oh yeah. Hmm. Probably have to define a macro for this one. So yesterday I discovered that fucking enums cannot be like bitwise operated. So I'm gonna create an bit flag type. Gonna have name type and guess data. Let me now do that. So enum name type. Yeah, you're gonna bitch a little bit, but I don't fucking care. We're gonna do this. No, this should be normal. We can test that by going uh where can I test that? Oh yeah, here. You know all of these enums I have here. Oh, maybe I should. Should I? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do this. And now I can do this. Type in template enum Windows style, which is type the word and then we put the values inside here. Obviously, we have to remove this now. Yeah. Too many arguments provide a function like macro. Uh, huh? But it's here. What do you mean it's undefined? Unnamed, type name. But it's defined. Hmm. Okay, wait, I have a better idea. Instead of that, I'm just gonna make operator. So we don't need data. Uh, no, I need all bitwise operations. For that, we go on this side, which is the best source for doing C++ stuff. I just have to find it. Operators. Uh, Overloading. Is there like a list? No. Cannot find it. Ah, here it is. Hmm. Or maybe I could find it right here. Comparison, logical, assignment, arithmetic. Guess this one. Yeah. This one I was looking for. Hmm. Okay, we need the tilde T operator. So we have type operator. Wait, do I need name? No. Name. Operator. Tilde. Const name. Value. Think that was like that? Yep. And then we do return static cast to type, and then we do the tilde thing. Of course, we have to add the backslash shit. And now what we do under these, we put in the template enum bit flag, which is window style keyword. Now what are you bitching about? Cannot initialize the return object of type window style with an R value of type D word, aka undersigned long. Hmm. Oh, I probably have to. Am I missing something? No. That's literally how it works. Right? Yeah. Maybe I have add cons. Uh, Uploaded operator must be a unary operator. Has two parameters. What do you mean has two parameters? Fucking says here it only needs one. Also, why do you need a second word for that operator? It's just inverting the conditional, uh, the bits of that. Hmm. Oh, oh, I see what I'm just stupid. I have to do static cast to name again. What? Why are you still bitching? I mean, even though this looks fucking cursed as fuck, should be no problem. What the fuck am I missing? Am I missing something? No, I'm not missing anything. The fuck you want from me? It is the tilde operation. Hmm. No, no, I don't know. I'm just gonna add the other ones, guess. Name, operator, and name, A, constant name, B. Then we do again, static cast a name, and static cast type A, and the static cast type B. And I think that should work. Okay. Wait, why is it two now? What do you mean? Must be a unary or binary operator. Has two parameters. What do you mean two? Where is the second one? Also, it's saying it has. Wait, does the return type also count? Wait, what happens if I turn this into void? No, this doesn't make sense. What do you fucking want from me, bro? Hmm. Let me figure this shit out, bro. Hmm. Hmm. Bitwise not. It's a type operator tilde const reference of type A. That's all it needs, right? And I have it here. Hmm. Oh man. I don't know what this motherfucker wants from me. Oh, it's because of. Oh my god, now I understand what the fuck he wants. Oh my god, I fucking figured it out. It has to be defined outside a class. Obviously. Uh, uh, oh, I see. Hmm. Define an. Yeah, okay. I know what the fuck you want. You want none of this bullshit. Wait. Uh, declaration. And then we copy this. And we have. Wait, was it? Declaration. Definition. Name operator. Oh, do I really have to copy all that shit? Yeah, no fucking way I have to do this shit. Why do I have to write everything down? I didn't even need the type for that. Just do this. Oh, I guess I also don't need the name then. So why would I need the name? The variable. We're not even using it. Uh, yep, exactly like that. And then this. And then we do the opposite of this. And now I have to define it. Wait, by your pigeon. Unknown type name. Oh yeah, because I've that. Yeah, should look nice. I guess if I already have type in here, can use that fully now. Doesn't that look lovely? Guess I can also copy this. Just change it to that symbol. Yeah, easy coding. Where it's only just about copy pasting shit. Now we need. Oh, see, now we need that. And the other one. And now, inside the window class. Guess I define it at the beginning. Template, definition, window, style, keyword. Oh, what the fuck? Window. And that works. Damn, look at this fucking mess. Imagine having to write this by hand every time for each fucking single thing. Oh god. Does this even compile? It does. Yeah, this is just warning about code not having return values, but I already know about that. So this actually works. Crazy. Guess I do it for the other ones. Uh, yeah, template, no bit flag. Declaration. It's also a pretty mouthful name. Or just a fucking name. I can guess I can just copy it on the other side. Declaration. Whoops, too much. Oh, I'm typing too fast. I am typing too fast. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm Sonic the Typist. Speaking of Sonic already from the music. And position flags. Now we copy this, put it in here. Obviously, instead of using declaration, we use definition. And this uses the word. So it's videos, and I think this was you int. Yep. And now we can use bitwise operations on these motherfuckers. Damn. Nice. Anyway, it's time to look up Windows documentation. Yay. What a great way. That's a lot of functions that I have to wrap around. Oh boy. Mm. Child window from point. Change window message filter. The message to add or remove. Oh yeah, there's obviously it's not recommended as it's process wide scope. Instead, use the change Windows message filter X function to control access to specific windows as needed. I see. I have to X myself. Oh yeah, apparently it does only. Well, I still have to implement that. Wait, I think this is also word function statistics. The return value number is the number failed. The return value is 0. Yeah, I can delete. Hmm. Cascade to specific choice. To be honest, do I need this? I don't think I need that. Guess I can implement this one. Message to add remove from the filter. Wow, so many fucking flags to add for this one. Just fucking two. Sure. God, I have to enum struct window message. This is gonna be a to listen go through. And I guess message filter. Message filter. And it's a D word with add and remove. Message filter add remove message FLT. Well, I see there's a little bit more than that, but I might be wrong. Maybe it's the extended one that uses more function than this one. Well, time to add it here. Static void. What's it called? Change message filter. We have window message and message flag. Yeah, oh, exactly that. Wait, it's flag, yeah, it's flag. I was correct. I was correctly reading the documentation. Oh boy. Uh, change. Yep, exactly. And thankfully I have this handy function that does cool things. Obviously I have to static cast this to, what was it? The word? No, you int message and static cast to the word like, yeah, that's basically it. There's nothing else to add. Yep. This should trigger that. Alright, continue on. Oh, look at that, there is more. Oh yeah, it is, seems like those other functions. The fuck is a change filter structure? Pointer. Hmm. The function succeeds, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. To get extended error information, call get last error. Uh, change filter struct. Okay, sure. I don't know what the fuck that is. Change filter struct. Change message filter. Oh wait, I think that's not a static function. That's actually a method. If I read that correctly. Yep. Window message and guess I'm gonna need to copy this one. Extended. And then there's allow. Disallow. And reset. Right? Yep. Window message filter extended. Change filter struct that and message filter window message and message filter extended. Oh, this shouldn't be uppercase. And I guess we have a change, whatever that is. I don't even fucking know what this function does. But I'm implementing it because I might need it for something. You never know. So we have the handle. We pass this into a uint. And wait, action. What the fuck is action? Oh, it's called action. I guess I'm gonna rename this to action. Static has the word action and a pointer to change. Then we return change. Like a good cashier at any supermarket. I mean, you wouldn't steal money, would you? Guess I could change this to action. And obviously I have to window message and message filter and missile filter action. Now we copy this, go up here, and we do the same thing for definition. And I think there, this is UN and this is D word. Dick word. I don't even know what the fucking D stands for. Why is it called D? When it's a long, wouldn't it make more sense? Double word, I think. Because word is, I think, 16-bit number. What a... Wait a minute, I see I have one notification on fucking Discord. Let me check what fucking message I got on Discord. Who's that one? Oh, it's somewhere from a random Discord server that I have touched for ages. Yep, there's absolutely nothing to see. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, I added this. Now I add the other one. Hmm. Can I have like a list? I remember there being like some kind of list. Ah, there we go. Child window from point. Yeah, sounds. Uh, turn value, turn the child to turn of the point is when. Oh, this actually returns a handle to a window and point. Uh, child. Okay, child from point. And then we use point. Guess cons because we don't modify anything. Mm, yep. And now we implement that. Window. Uh, child from point. Point. Oh yeah, of course, const. And you have to cast it. The point. And child window from point. The handle and point. To skip certain child windows, use the child window from point X. Yeah, we have more fucking flags. Lovely. I love implementing this kind of shit. Uh, sure. Flag. Call it child window point. Child from point flag. Yeah, that sounds like a good name. Enum struct child from point flag. It's oh shit. And it's a uint. We have all cb all. We have skip disabled. CVP skip disabled. Gotta say, that's some very interesting naming conventions. Skip invisible and skip transparent. Obviously, we now need child from point flags. It was a uint. Definition uint. Oh yeah, obviously I have to implement it. Ah, thankfully I can just use the same function because of overload shit. Uh, child from point flags. Window, child points flag, point, child from points flag, flag. Oh, didn't I mark it as cons? I did mark it as cons. But why are you judging me? Oh, child from point. Obviously, that's why. 2 point turn child window from point X P and static as un X. Why the fuck? Oh, I'm typed that. Yeah, looking good there. Okay, now we have close window, which is minimizing. Yeah, obviously. When you close a window, you don't close it, you minimize it. Very good, Windows, very good. Fucking love your naming conventions. And we just do the check. Sweden. And now we have the fun part. Oh, yeah, yeah. Look at this shit here. Hmm. Lovely. Uh, I guess I need type def here. Type def. We need some math of a vector to S32. Call it position. And type def core math size as 32 size. Oh, I do. I just realized I have it here already, but it's the extended version. Uh, guess I can remove that. Position. Position and size. I guess I can copy it from here, paste it. Oh yeah, obviously I need the function twice. Once without this. Uh, yeah, seems to be good. Nah, you fucking bitchin'. Just gonna move you down here. Stop bitching. No one cares. And now I just type this. And it should be good to go. Yep. And now I copy this without this one. Remove this one and just create window. I think this is just a, yeah, just a macro to the previous one, but with X style being 0. Nice. Okay, I already added that. I guess we go to the next one. Defer window position updates a specific multiple window position structure for the specific window. Function then returns a handle to the updated structure. The end defer Windows position function uses this information in the structure to change the position and size of number of windows simultaneously. The begin and the structure. Do I need this? No, I don't think so. Deregister shell hook window. Okay. Whatever that is. The register, what's it called? Shell hook. Shell hook, like the game? That one tank game? It's called like that, right? I don't remember, I forgot. Deregister Sherlock Holmes. Can't fucking read, bro. The fuck is a window? Okay, I have no clue. The function was not clear in SDK. It does libraries until Windows XP with Service Pack 1. Windows Server 3. If you don't have a file function, you can call the function using load library and get address. No. And then we have to destroy window, which actually destroys the window. I really don't understand this naming convention. Destroy window. I guess I can call it here. But I'm just gonna call it directly. if valid. Yep. And what is next? Oh, enter Windows task. End task. The fuck? This function is not intended for general use. It may be altered or unavailable in subsequent version of Windows. Forcibly closes the specified window. Oh. So it is basically destroying it, but saying like, you better destroy yourself or I'm gonna fucking kill your family. All those childrens, you know. Hmm. Ignored must be false. Very good. I love when there are functions where there have to be a specific value. You cannot change them. They have to be exactly that value. I don't even know for what this was used. Probably there was some use case earlier. And I guess Windows is lazy to remove that. And because Windows is all about being compatible with old devices, makes sense. Uh, I guess I'm just gonna add force. And I'm just gonna call it end. Full force. Void window and bool force. I'm gonna fucking end your life. So why the fuck is it called end task? That sounds like s something that shouldn't be like any window related. I would say this is like some kind of threading function, but not a window. Enum child proc. Application defined. Numerate child windows. I guess I can iterate through window functions. Hmm. An application defined value to be passed to the callback function. Guess I have to define this function, which is collected and society. How the fuck am I going to do this? Hmm. I mean, I can pass through a pointer to an array. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Static inline or callback enum child param array. And we have core container array of children. I guess I call it children. Lovely name. I do love some children. Oh shit. Wrong move I did there. And we do that. Window. Children behave. Children behave. Obviously, we have to create the array. items. Turned items. Hmm. Hmm. I am thinking. Oh well. New child Windows parent and in num child and static cast algorithm pointer to items. Reinterpret cast. Yeah, I guess that works. Wait, let me call this like that. And now we have pointer to that. Jesus Christ. A pointer to a wrapper around pointers. Yep. And child. Yeah, that's basically how it works, I suppose. Like I fucking care. Enum pret windows. Enumerates all non-child windows associated with the thread passing. The child windows particular window. Wait, is it just a thread? Wait, what? The fuck? It is the same structure. Uh, I guess I'm just gonna call this threads and copy this one. Call it threads. And instead of that, we have thread windows. The fuck? Wait. Thread ID? Okay, I guess this function shouldn't be here. Oh, why is it even here then? Enumerates all top level windows on the screen we're passing to the next window. Oh, I guess this is now a global, like getting all windows. Mm-hmm. I guess I can just copy this one. Uh, static that. And how I'm gonna call this enumer? No, all. Just gonna call it all. I have no fucking clue how to call it. Window or obviously we need the fucking enum windows. Or is it the same fucking structure? It is. I could technically use. Yeah, I'm gonna move this up. So I don't have to define any fucking shitty functions. Wait, I can just copy this. Then remove that. With child. Yeah, look at that. Less work to do. That's how coding works. You just copy this. Find window. Hmm. I guess I can find windows based on their class and window name. Hmm. Interesting concept. But that means I have to create pre. Wait. Wait a minute. This doesn't make sense. Well, because if I put both of them null, what happens? Uh. Oh my god, it can be null. Oh well. I guess we're gonna add that to the list. Fine. And gonna need you. Find class name. Was it? Yeah. Oh. Find by class name. Static find by window name. Window name. To be honest, I don't fucking care. And then non-parameter one, because technically that would be all. So why would you fucking call that function with no parameters? Uh, window find as name uh, window find window class name not pointer. Then we do a check window return not a pointer, we return a window. Okay, now we do the same. Find by window name. It's basically the same, except that these two are switched up. And then we have both. Just as find. Damn, look how fucking long. Oh shit. Then window name. Yeah, that's that, I suppose. Then what is this X function? Uh, Retrieves a handle to a window whose class name and window name match specific strings. This function searches child windows, beginning with the one following by special. This function does not perform a case-sensitive search. Handle to the parent window whose child window are to be searched. If her parent is null, the function uses the desktop window as the parent window. Function searches among windows that are child windows of the desktop. Which parent is stated with windows to search all message-only windows. What the fuck is child after? Handle to a child window. To search begin with the next child window in the Z order. The child window must be a direct child window of parent, not just a descendant window. No search begin with window of parent. Do I want to implement this? No. Get alt tab info. Retrieve status information to the specified window if it's application switching window. Okay. Uh, what do I get from this? Uh, get a pointer to Alt Tab infrastructure to receive the status information. Now that you must set the C size member to size of Alt Tab window before calling this function. Name of the item is this parameter is null. The name of the item is not copied. The size and characters of the PC items. Function exceeds, so there's non-zero. Calculation switching window enables you to switch to the most recent used application window. To display the application switching window, press Alt Tab to select the application from the list. Continue to hold Alt Tab down. Press Alt Tab to move through the list. Add Shift to the reverse direction through the list. Okay. Whatever that means. Hmm. Hmm. I have no fucking clue again what this function does. I guess it adds logic. Hmm. Really, I don't know what this function does. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this one, I don't think. Get edges, yeah, more flags. Manchester flags. I do love some flagging. Struck Manchester flags. Oh fuck, wrong. And it's you int. Oh man, this is getting fucking dark. I'm gonna turn on the light. Ah, finally there is some light. Because I can barely see anything in the dark. Alright. What do we have here? Parent root and root owner. Parent. Get Manchester parent. Root. The root owner. I hear something that I don't want to hear. And well, that was something. Mm-hmm. Oh fuck. Uh, Manchester. Wait, what do I get from this? A window and Manchester flags. Guess that doesn't modify anything. Manchester flags. Chester flags. Flagging. Oh, obviously I have to mark this as cons. Wait, why are you bitching? That's not nice. Oh, wrong flags. Uh, window. and just I guess get and just and then we static cast you in legs. Obviously check the result because that's important. Client rectangle. Choose the coordinates of the window client area. Okay, can do that. Rectangle, client, rect. Just like that. Client, rect, rect. Check, get client, rect. And then a pointer to the rect. And then we, oh yeah, obviously we have to convert it. Makes sense. Get desktop window. Oh, that literally just gets the window. Just gonna call it desktop. Very creative name. Do say myself. I mean, it's not like that Windows or API uh, is creative. Wait, does this actually can return null? No, it cannot. I mean, how would that work if you have no desktop? But wait, maybe it's explorer.exe when it mentions this window. So this can actually be null, technically speaking. Foreground window. Oh, wait, what's the foreground window? I don't even know anything about the foreground window on Windows. Choose the handle to the foreground window, the window with which the user is currently working. The system assigns a slightly higher priority to the thread that creates the foreground window than it does to other threads. The return value is a handle to the foreground window. The foreground window can be nulled in certain circumstances, such when a window is losing activation. What? What the fuck is that supposed to mean? Wait, I'm curious. What the fuck is the Windows foreground window? Hmm. Uh, active window is the window attached to the calling thread and put the foreground window. Oh, so it's basically the window that is currently focused. Like for example, I'm currently focused in Visual Studio Code, so basically I would get the window handle of Visual Studio Code because that's currently where also my keyboard input is going. Oh, interesting. I mean, yeah, it makes sense now when I think about it. Man, am I smart. Get GUI thread info. Uh, Again, this is nothing related to window. Get less active pop-up. Handle to the owner window. Okay. This is a fucking less active pop-up. Yep. Oh fuck. What the fuck am I doing? Okay. And less active pop-up. Less active window. I mean, can this also be null? Those negative material is the same as the if any of the following conditions are met. Okay. I guess this value cannot be null, which is weird. Because normally when you think about something less, that means it cannot be less. So it can be null. What the fuck am I looking at here? Get layered window attributes? Hmm. Choose the opacity and transparency color key of a layered window. A handle to the layered window. A layered window is created by specifying VSX layered when creating the window with the create window X function by setting VSX or setting window long after the window has been created. The fuck is a layered window? Also, what the fuck is a color ref? Oh, just it is literally just a color in ARGB format. Hmm. I mean, these are three separate things. I could actually just, yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. Gonna do this. Oh, fuck. Uh, layered color. Yeah, color ref. What the fuck? Color ref. Oh, I was like wondering. Layered color. Guess I'm gonna use it like that. Guess I can also add the other ones. Layered alpha. And layered flags, I guess. Oh yeah, more flags. I'm fucking creating countries here. Layered flags. Oh, it's a D word. And alpha and color key. Alpha. What the fuck, what's its name? LVA. Alpha. Color key. E color key. Layered flags. Lay layered flags. Layered flags. We'll copy this. Damn, look at this fucking list we're creating here. Uh, Now we just implement those. So we have color ref window layered color Color ref, I suppose. Then we get layered rendered. Holy shit, look at this. Values. Ref. And this can all be null. Ref. Basically can copy this one. Gonna rename this to value just to be faster. Uh, layered alpha. And then we just move this on the right. Window layered flags. Layered flags. And it's a T word. Guess I'm gonna do it like that. Value. Then we have to cat. Well, holy shit. Cast it to layered flags. Yep. That's basically it. Get next window. Hmm. Uh, do I really have to create flags for this one too? Oh wow. Nice function. It is literally just get window. Oh shit. Wait. Yeah, this. Alright, I guess I have to uh, get flags. Get flags. Get flags. Yes, get flags sounds like a good name. Struct get flags. Flags. Think it was a D word. No, it was a uint. Now we need the child get flags. Then we need the enable pop up. If I can write that is. Oh no, enabled pop up. Obviously, that makes more sense. Then we have. I'm just gonna call it first. Do we really have to call it Ted? I think it would make more sense that we just call it directly what it is. Next, then previous, and owner. Hi, welcome back from yesterday. I did not forget about you. Just saying. Hello, hello. Sound like phone guy from Five Nights at Freddy's, who also goes like, hello, hello. Been a long day. Tomorrow I have a test. Ooh. Well, shouldn't you be like practicing? I've been good, I guess. Tired day because of work. Wait a minute, I already had it. No, wait. The fuck am I doing here? Already did? Okay. Do I need to quiz you? Do you need someone to test your knowledge? Is that why you came? So I can test you? I guess not. Oh, I imagine. Well, at least you're home now. No need test about parasites, but I love to. Ooh, parasites. Hmm. Sounds lovely. Something definitely I wanna hear in my dreams. Pesky creatures. You know, weird thing is, there's this one episode of Doctor House I once watched where I got a little bit traumatized about parasites. Bro, I cannot believe even as an adult I was traumatized by watching that episode because it was even child related. It's lupus. Yeah, Doctor House can be pretty intense sometimes. Yeah, it was definitely interesting to watch some of these episodes. I did not actually finish it, but it was, even though I was never into doctor shit or medical stuff, it was pretty interesting. And I don't know, I just probably just uh, gave up at watching. And well, now it's just burned into memes from what I've seen so far. Cool. Man, when did I the last time watch Doctor House? Now that I've mentioned it, I don't even remember the last time I watched it. Now, hmm, fascinating. Hmm. Anyway, let's continue on here. Get parent. Okay, I mean that's obvious. Uh, Parent. So you prepared? Are you really sure you're prepared for the test? Because I sometimes say that to myself, but and then I'm not prepared for the test. Yes, more less minutes. Hmm, I see. Mhm. Sounds normal. Get parent. I don't care much how to write. It's not hard one. Oh, okay. I mean, if it's not hard, then I guess you can easily pass it. Display affinity. Whatever. That is the list affinity settings and their meaning. Oh boy. Display affinity. Literally just gonna copy it from that name. Abstract display affinity. That's the word. We have none. Media, none. Exclude from capture. Add monitor. Interesting. Oh, that's how some applications cannot be recorded. That's how they make that. Interesting. Learning some new stuff about Windows. Who would have thought? Display affinity. I'll have to scroll all the way down. Or just display, no. Display affinity. Keyword value. Uh, display affinity value static cast to display affinity value. Yes, I totally know what this shit does. I'm very smart. I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. If it isn't that clear, trees information about the specified window. Wow, who would have thought that I can get information from my window? What the fuck do you even get from that? Holy shit, you get some information from that. Wow, who would have thought that you get information from information? Window info. Window info. Sounds funny. Somehow, I don't know. Window info. Window info. I guess we do get window info. I also just love that the fucking Simpson theme is playing in the background. Mhm. Wait, what? Let me check this again. Let me see what is in here. Uh, oh yeah, I have to set the size. Shit. Obviously, CB size of info. Mhm. What do you do for work, by the way? Oh, I'm a working student, so I'm not really working what I'm studying for. But I'm doing data integration in a very big company, basically. That's all I can say. Yeah, it is interesting. I mean, I'm getting pretty good paid from that, so it's worth it. Even though it's not really the thing I want to do in the future. Is the poor file finding was it? Huh, interesting. Need to look for a job this summer. I need money. Oh boy, you don't want to even know how fucking long it took me to even get this job. I was pretty much lucky that someone worked there before and was able to like get a connection from that. But still, like, even before that, like looking for a fucking job, Jesus Christ. Uh, uh, module file name. Courtyard. Well, I hope you don't get any robbers to steal some bodies. If you know, you know. Hmm. Alias. Number carries a copy to Thomas. Hello, that's only. Hmm. Alias. Is the total number of character copied into the window? Hmm. How the fuck do I use this function? Use some money to move from home. Yeah, sounds about right. Yeah, I mean, I also moved out, so when I found this, let me see how this works. Uh, max path. I see. That's what I need. Uh, path. Max path. Uh, new int like uh, get window module file name path. Uh, max path. Guess I can then do this. Yeah, that should work. Wait a minute, do I have to like... No, that doesn't say anything about allocating, allocating that. Sure. Get window placement. Fuck is a window placement? I have no clue what this is, but I'm implementing it. Window placement. Placement. Fucking Windows shit that I have no clue of what this actually does. As usual. Do I need to do some bullshit? Before calling get window placement, set the link member to size of. Yeah, obviously I knew it. Why length? Why isn't it CB size? Look at that. They're not consistent named. Who would have thought of that? Uh, placement. Oh, I uppercase Not that what I wanted. Placement. Okay, sure. I still have no clue what this does. Get window rect. Hmm. Oh, it's basically the same as that function. Above there, rectangle, rect. Get wrecked, you stupid noob. I'm gonna wreck your family. Like your mother. I don't even fucking know what I just said there. Window rect. Turn to rectangle. Copies the text over how get window can retrieve the text application. Hmm. Copies the text of the specified window title bar if it has one into a buffer. The specified window is a control. The length of the control is copied. However, get window text cannot retrieve the text of a control in then another. Wait a minute, I saw something here. What is this? Retrieves the length and characters of the specified window title bar text windows. Control can retrieve the length of the text of an edit control in another application. The exact length of text used to get text. Get window text version. Oh, I see. Isn't really the length. Hmm. Hmm. Maximum number. Is there a limit? I don't even know if there's a limit. Let's see what it says here. Where does it get the length? Oh, it actually uses the function. Gotta go for now. I need to make something up back in 1 hour or so. Yeah, it will probably be still there. No problems. I'm not forcing you to stay here. That's what you mean. Text. Window text const. Uh, obviously we need the length. Get window text length. Hmm. I can probably do something like. Wait, let me just this. I think this is better. Allocate length. Type. Yeah. Guess this function can fail. Yep. Get window text. Handle string length. And then we just do. Hold on a minute. This is dangerous as fuck. Do I have to really? Mm. If throw win32 win error. This Halloween, this is Halloween. Mm, 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 mm. Let me just do this. Yep, looking fine there. Oh, it has to be +1. Okay, sure, brother. If you say so. Get window thread process ID. Pointer variable that reads the process identifier. The parameter is not now get window thread process copies then otherwise it does not. The function fails and value variables and chain. Zero. Wait, what? Retrieves the identifier of the thread that created a specific window and optionally the identifier of the process created the window. Mm. Oh, one is a thread, the other one is a process. Hmm. Uh, right. I guess gonna have this. What the fuck is even going on? Motivation. The fuck is dude talking about, bro? Hmm. Mm-hmm. What the? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep, I'm motivated. Is child. Um, is Chewy friend? Turns out that's not a GUI friend. What the fuck is a GUI friend? With a Windows can just trigger not responding. They're not responding. Can't believe that there's actually a way not responding. I'm actually call it not responding. Is iconic. Wool is iconic. Yes, I can hear the YouTube comments. What the hell did I just listen to? Is process DPI aware? Again, nothing related to window. Oh, is window. Thank you for knowing that there is a function for knowing if a window is a window. Hmm. Guess I can use it for valid checking. Uh, valid is window. Yep, sounds about right. Is window Unicode. Okay. It is Unicode. Can't believe you can actually check just that the window is Unicode. Hmm. Why would you need to know that? Guess if you want to format text and shit. Window Unicode. Whatever that means. Is visible. Visible. Wait, what am I doing? We could just iconic. Yeah, I guess I can leave it that. What the fuck are you now about? Oh, I forgot the semicolon. Obviously, who would have thought that I would forget the semicolon? Window visible. Is zoomed. AKA is maximized. Damn. I too, we also zoomed. Window. Some weird names, brother. Log set foreground window. Hmm. Do I need to? No, I'm not creating a fucking flag for this. The white log foreground. Oh, log. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm listening. What the fuck is this name? LSF. Logical to physical point. Interesting. Point. Logical to physical point. Lovely ears that I won't have afterwards. Logical to physical point. Return to point P. Move window. Moving. More like moving and resizing. Okay, sure. Move. Const position. Size. Repaint. Think it was. Yep. Position. Size. Tool. Repaint. Move window. Guess I can do this on multiple lines, bro. Oh, he's doing. He's. What? The fuck is this? Open icon. Uh, yeah. Now's your time to big big shot. Big shot. Now's your time to big shot. Big good shot. Big shot. Big shot. Now's your time to big shot. Big shot. Oh, now we have physical to logical point. Physical to logical point. Mimik geldi çat. Nazetin. Nazetin. Mimik çat. Nazetin. Mimik çat. Mimik geldi çat. Nazlı, Nazlı, mimik çat. Nazlı, mimik çat. Mimik geldi çat. Nazlı, Nazlı, mimik çat. Epic. Yay, physical. Real child window from point. Damn, I didn't know that there were fake children in Windows. Who would have thought of that? Hmm. Okay, sure. Real child from point. That exists, apparently. What's the difference between a real child and a child? Decrease the handle to the child window at the specific point. Search is restricted to immediate child windows. Grandchildren and deeper descendant windows are not searched. Oh, I see. What a lovely family. Oh fuck, wrong window. Why do I always click on the wrong fucking window? It's like I don't fucking use this computer. Like I'm working on some alien machine. Real child window from point. Can't fucking believe that that's an actual name from a variable. Oh wait, maybe I should get the actual value. Child. No, real child. So real. I'm just gonna add this comment. I'm gonna ask myself later why the fuck did I added that. Yeah, I guess I can name that the parent client courts. Make more sense. Uh, real get window class. What the fuck? Geez, a string that specifies the window type. Characters above provided in. How fucking long can this be? I would really love to know. I mean, look this up, bro. Who the fuck uses this? What's the difference between get class name? Performance and decided to support Windows accessibility and its help extended tools in this way. However, even without getting the direct guiding from of superclassing. Oh, I see. Interesting. So basically the one is an title, the other one is just what Windows gives you. This question, what makes real get window class so much more real than get class name? Fucking love this statement. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. But how do I get the size? Hmm. Well, it's a string. Real class name. That's so real, brother. Oh, wait, I Mistype that. Not read class name, sondern real. This is so fucking real. You don't even fucking know it. Yeah, so how the fuck do I get the size? Hmm. Wait, let me look. Because it's the window class. Let's look up max window class name. Uh, here's a particular. Oh, limited to 256. Last name. Guess I'm cheating a little bit there. Get real, real, get window class name, and that. And I guess can just return that. Oh, wait. This actually returns the length, right? Yeah, it does return the length. And I guess I can use that. Yep. Okay, we have figured this out. Set window placement. Hmm. Okay. Set placement. Window placement. I don't know how to do that. Just gonna call it like that. Set window placement. Why is the I capitalized? I'm not fucking stupid. Then we have send window position. Arrow to the window to proceed to position window in the next window. One of the following. Oh, what the fuck is this? Hmm. Oh, brother. Hmm. Nice, I have to create two enums. Hmm. This class is getting big. Yeah. Um, hmm. Window. Hmm. How the fuck do I call this? Insert after flags. Wait, can I? No, I cannot use this. Hmm. and then bottom. Oh my god, I cannot use this. No. Holy fuck, how the fuck do I do this? Hmm. I guess I'm gonna do it like this. No. Reinterpret cast. No. Cast from pointer to smaller type int loses information. Oh, obviously. Hmm. Uh, how the fuck do I get? Hmm. How the fuck am I gonna do this? Uh, I have an idea. I'm just gonna do it like this. No, topmost, top, topmost, -1 and -2. What the fuck? Crazy. And all of this bullshit. Position flag access. Keyword, I assume. No, it's uint. Wait a minute. I have to. Yeah, totally forgot about that. Async window position. Fuck. SEP sync window. Close. Whoops. I guess it's not that. Defer. Erase. Erase. Defer art. Defer. Erase. Defer. Yep. Type that correctly. Draw frame. Frame changed. Frame change. Height window. No active. Active. Wait, I think it was. Yeah. Can't read. No copy bits. And no move. No owner Z order. No owner Z order. No owner Z order. Whatever that means. No redraw. No redraw. No reposition. Yeah. No reposition. No set changing. No setting changing. No size. No Z order. Show window. Oh god. Uh, set after. What the fuck? Does this work? No. Sadly not. Okay, not okay. Also, this. Yep. Jesus Christ. Set position. Wait, what do I have? Oh, it's move. Guess I'm gonna leave it at set pose. Insert after. Insert after. Then position and width. Size and position flags. Can I fucking copy this? Jesus Christ, is this long? And obviously I'm gonna create that. Set window pass. Uh, Position X, position Y, size width, size height, static cast, that. Oh, basically this also needs to be marked. Ah, fuck off. Nah, I'm not gonna look at now. Okay, now. Insert. If I can type, that is. Set pause. Flex. Position, size, flex. Yep. Easy as that. Oh, obviously we remove this one. Position, size, flex. Okay, we have that. Set window text. Optional. Change can I change the text of control in another application? Can it be optional now? That's a key reference. It's a tricky cause settings. It does not expand text. It's displayed as a vertical bar character. What? But why is it optional? Man, I don't understand. I don't care. I'm just gonna. You want text, you get text. Oh, but it's gonna be the SpongeBob thing. But I guess not. Oh, it is. Wait, I don't remember going that song like. So like extended version? Show owned pop-ups. Sure. Show owned pop-ups. Full show. Show was. I guess that's what the other function does. Show owned pop-ups. Yep, it is show. Hello, Kumi. What Foxazoid? That sounds like a really cool geometric device. I love some geometric devices. What's up, Komi, by the way? How you doing? How's life cooking? How did you find the voices in the void? Oh no. Didn't know this show window. Ay, caramba. Show window. Mm, I can't add a new type of flag to this country that is called Windows. I fucking love Windows. We have hide. Oh, who would have thought? Show normal. Show normal. And normal. Which apparently is the same value. Interesting. Show in my if I can fucking type show maximized or maximized. Wait, why is the flag different from minimize? The fuck? What's the difference between show minimized and minimize? Activates the window and displays it as minimized window. Minimizes a specified window and activates the next topple level in the Z order. There is a difference. Oh wow, who would have thought? Uh, show no activate. Show no activate. Whatever that means. I do love a show. A good show. Oh no, fucking semicolon. What the fuck am I typing in here? Min, my, I can type minimize. Show min no active. Show min no active. The fuck does that mean? Displays the window at the minimized window. This value is similar to show minimized except the window is not activated. Okay. Show na. Show na. Why is it na? What's the difference between show and na? The window's current size and between this value is similar to show except the window is not activated. Oh, I see. Weird naming convention. Show default. Show default. Force minimize. I can't type. My fucking hands are breaking off. Brother, this is a big file. This is a really huge file. Void show. Show flags. Flags. What is show default? That's a base on every email is best inside of a create process with permanent. Well, I guess I can have a default value of 0. Window show flags. Show window. And we cast it to an integer. And void show oh, look at this. This looks fucking nice. Why is it? What is this? This can not be marked. Thank you. Oh, the bool value is not an error message. Guess I have to return that to find out. Innocent looking at what and return. Jot your feeling, gotta live and learn. Then it's something like to make it through. Like no more of an option, only one thing to do. Know me and set me free. Just me, well, like the city. Take my lead, and set you free. There's an async version. Interesting. Didn't know that. But this time it actually returns. An operation successful. Interesting. Show async. Show flags. Because I can also use the default of that. Using the fucking barking sound. Show when async. Static. Cast int flags. Show async. Show flags. Show default. Sound Sentry triggers a visual signal that indicates a sound is playing. That's a function? Wait, I want to play that now. I can actually call that. Let's call this function. I want to know what happens. Uh, show sound sentry. Let's call this and see what happens. Um, Maybe testing this on Linux is not a good choice. Oh, so what is this fucking error message I'm reading? Cannot find DLLs, but it's there. Whatever. Gonna test it on my home machine. Switch to this window. Unknown, true. This video switch to using the alt quotation against this parachute. Would be. Interesting. Void switch to switch. Alright. I cannot type in switch because it's a use keyword. Alt tab. Window. Tab. Sonic. Oh, wait, this function does not return anything? This function is typically called to maintain window Z ordering. This function was not included as sure. Tile windows. I think I'm gonna skip this one. Update layered window. Ugh. What the fuck am I looking at here? Update the position, size, shape, content, and translucency of a layered window. Oh boy. Oh, this one even requires an HTC. Why are there so many fucking parameters? Handle to the DC photo screen. This handle is obtained by specifying null when calling. If it must be null. I have no clue what this is. I will probably. Oh, look at that. That's better. Uh, I guess we do window update layered indirect update date layered window info update. Is this one? Yeah, it is. Bro, this is a fucking long ass value name. Whatever this does. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with this. Window from physical point. Okay. From point and physical. Wait, I have an idea. I'm just gonna do this. Very smart of me. Uh, wait, what does this want from me? Uh, uh, from point, const point, physical. Let's get physical. Physical. Can I just do this? Oh, wait. Window from physical point. Window from point. Yep. Well, if you can believe it, that's actually it. Oh well, there's some constants. Get H menu. Oh yeah, it's the what is it? Window message. MN get MN get H menu. MN get H menu. Get font. get font, get text, get text, get text length, get text length, set font, set icon, and set text. Uh, activate app, activate app. Wait, I'm gonna put a space between that. Cancel mode. Child activate. Sounds like some kind of device. Child activate. And then it explodes. Just like any child would do. Or they would rather go to the fridge and immediately take out everything they can find and eat it. Because that's only what children do. They eat shit. Fucking sugar high motherfuckers. Destroy. Enable. Windows G. Enable. Game bar. Enter size move. Enter size move. I have no fucking clue what that means. Erase BKGND. Erase BGKND. What? BK BKGND. Okay, what the fuck is that? I'm now interested. Send when the window background must be erased. Not like erase BG. You have to literally BKGND. Yeah, I love exit size move. Oh, I forgot the comma. And get icon. Get icon. Lovely music, as always. Get min max info. Min max info. Fuck. Um, get min max info. Input length change. Input length change. Oh, input length change quest. How the fuck is that name? Move. Uh, moving. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it. Uh, no. Brother. Obviously, it has to be that fucking value define. Obviously. Parent notify. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking notify that my child has been Eating too much candy. Query drag icon. Yeah, I'm gonna query dragging these nuts over your chin. Query, what was it? Open. Query open what? Sent to an icon when the user requests that the window be restored to its previous size and position. Okay. Quit. Yeah, that's definitely what I'm gonna do. Yeah, actually, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. The name really literally said it. Because I'm getting fucking tired of writing code. Oh. Anyways, that's it for this week. Guess I see you next week on Tuesday, 7:30 CEST. Enjoy your time. Goodbye.